Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'm gonna show you how to clear the browsing data on this device, or the browser data. First we need to open the browser. For example, I'm gonna open the Chrome browser. In the browser, you can tap on the More Options icon right here. Now you can see it because there is an update available for the browser, but if I tap on it once, it's gonna disappear like this, and now you should see this. By default, you should see this icon with the three dots. Tap on it to open the menu. Now select the history, and here we have the history and the browsing data. You can remove the sites one by one by tapping on the X button next to one, like that, or you can tap on Clear Browsing Data, and right here you have more options. You can select between Basic and Advanced. Advanced is basically the difference between Basic and Advanced is that you can select more types of data to clear. You have saved passwords, autofill, form data, and site settings. In Basic, you have only browsing history, cookies, and cached images. So select the option you like, and then you need to select the time range. You can tap on this triangle right here to open the drop-down menu, and you have ranges like last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, and all time. I'm gonna select all time, but you can select whatever you like. And once you're done customizing your settings, I'm just gonna select all of the options like this, but you can remove whatever you want. And once you're done customizing this, tap on Clear Data button, and as you can see, the data was removed and there's no history at all. And you can tap on X right here to close this. And you can also close the browser, of course. And that's how you clear the browsing data on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.